Hey everyone, Tyler Brown from Vortex Pro Wash here in Raleigh. Hopefully you've enjoyed our last few videos. I hope they were educational and gave you an idea of what we do and the value that we bring as an organization. We really focus on the accuracy and doing the job right. Now in this particular video, you're going to see some clips from a gutter cleaning job. Now gutter cleaning is very important because the primary objective of a gutter is to keep water away from a building. If water is being held in the gutter and it's falling out of the gutter, then what's the point of the gutter? You might as well just remove it and allow the water to continue falling against the building. We clean the gutters so that the water, once it hits them, it flows to the downspout, and then from the downspout it is taken to a position away from the building. Now in this particular video, you're going to see some flakes that are popping up as we use the blower in the gutters. Now those flakes are due to sediment building up over time. Now that sediment building up over time is because the water isn't flowing freely through the gutter. That builds up, and then all of a sudden you have that problem with water just pouring from the wrong places. So we clean the gutters and we make sure that the water is redirected away from the building. And then afterwards you'll see a clip of us using a blower to make sure that all the debris and all that junk and all that nastiness that we take out of the gutters is removed away. And so, because otherwise it's just going to look nasty in your yard and on your sidewalk. So keep in mind as you are spending time outside and be cognizant of what's around your house. Do you have trees? Do you have a lot of blowing sand and dirt? Be cognizant of that and hire a professional to do it right. Hire people that know what they're doing. They have the experience that they can keep themselves safe, and they can make sure that your house is safe, that it's going to be healthy without standing water nearby. So enjoy the video, and of course leave comments, like, subscribe, and we're happy to answer any questions that you might have about your own projects that you have around the house. Take care.